Well, Glenn here. I've turned up with the Javelin. I've got no idea what I'm doing. I'm assuming there's other people turning up for the competition. Nothing like a bit of fun. And Javelin. No, I got it. Righto. Now I've got the right Javelin sorted out. This is a car which is easily overlooked when you come down to a museum. But the truth is, this thing has got awesome Australian history. It's a 72 Javelin and it's a 401 cubic inch. This thing's an absolute powerhouse. What's so special about an American muscle car? Well, it was assembled here in Australia. Now the dash is actually Australian made in these to be right hand drive. It wasn't a modified thing, it was actually handmade over here. The indicators in America are actually in the tail lights, but down over here we had to have the amber light, so that has been added. Fill up the fuel, not a problem, just pop the number plate and there she is down in there. This thing has got speed written all over it. The profiling of the front and rear guards, the little tick on the back window, it just looks fast just sitting there. It's a 6.6 litre V8. This thing could tear the skin off a rabbit. Fair dinkum, so much power, so much go, and they were never really a big seller over here, which amazed me, probably because of the amount of fuel they used. Righto guys, when you come down, make sure you take the time out to find this little Australian gem hidden up the back. Well worth the look. See you soon.